Dear students, today we learn about conversion of recurring decimals into P by Q form shortcuts. In the last period, we learned how to convert them algebraically. But in this class, let us learn about the shortcuts. Before going into the period, let us learn about two things. One is pure recurring decimal. All digits after the decimal are repeated. Say, for example, 0.4 bar. In this case, only 4 is recurring. In case of 0.54 bar, both 54 is recurring. In the case of 4.7 bar, the decimal 7 is recurring. So, all the digits after the decimal are repeated. Such decimals are called pure recurring decimals. And now, what are mixed recurring decimals? Some digits do not repeat. For example, 15.732. In this case, after the decimal, only 32 is repeating and 7 is not repeating. So, such decimals are called mixed recurring decimals. Now, another thing is, what is the period? In the case of 0.4 bar, the period is 4. In case of 0.54 bar, the period is 54. In case of 4.7 bar, it is 7. And in the case of 15.732 bar, the period is 32. Period means after the decimal, only the recurring part is called the period of the decimals. Okay? Now let us see the shortcut form. The shortcut for pure recurring decimals. When you are converting it into P by Q form, we have the numerator and the denominator. In case of pure recurring decimal, the numerator means the period of the decimal and the denominator is as many nines as the number of digits repeated. Let us understand this with an example. Let us take 0.4 bar. So we are converting this into form of P by Q. So this is the numerator. What the numerator says? You have to take period. Here the period is 4. Now the denominator is as many nines as the number of digits repeated. Here how many digits are repeated? Only one digit. So you have to keep only 1 9. And with another example, let us try to understand this rule. 0.54 bar. Here the numerator will be the period, means it is 54 by denominator is as many nines as the number of digits repeated. Means how many digits are repeated? 2 digits. So you have to write 2 nines. So it is 0.532 bar. Here the numerator will be 532 by the denominator will be 999 because here we have 3 digits are repeating, so we have to write 3 nines as the denominator. In case of mixed recurring decimal, let us see how to solve this. We have numerator and denominator. In the numerator, the number formed by all the digits minus the number formed by non-recurring digits ignoring decimal point. So let us take an example. In case of 4.7 bar, the numerator will be number formed by all the digits, means it is 47 minus the number formed by non-recurring digits ignoring decimal point, means 4 by, what about the denominator? As many 9s as there are recurring, followed by as many zeros as there are non-recurring. So in this, how many digits are recurring? Only 7 is recurring. So we take only 1 9, and as many zeros as there are non-recurring. We don't have any non-recurring decimal. So only 9 you have to write. So the answer will be 43 by 9. Let us check another example. 1.23 bar. Here the numerator will be number formed by all the digits means 123 minus the number formed by non-recurring digits means 12 by only 3 is recurring. So take 1 9 and only 2 is non-recurring. So 1 0. So the answer will be 123 minus 12 means 1 1 1 by 90. Example 0.43213. The number formed by all the digits is 43213 minus the non-recurring digits are 43 by 2 digits are recurring, so 3 9s. 2 digits are non-recurring, so 2 zeros. So the answer will be, if you strike 1 0, the answer will be 4317 by 9990. Let us 4.235 bar. Now the numerator will be 4235 minus non-recurring digits 42 by 2 9s because 35 is recurring. And how many zeros? Only 2 is non-recurring, so 1 0. The answer will be 4 by 990. Take another example. 157 from 15.7 formed by all the digits means 115,732 minus non-recurring digits 157 by 32 is recurring, so 2 9s. 7 is non-recurring, 1 0. Then answer will be 1557 by 990. So click. Then it will be very easy for us to convert a mixed recurring decimal into p by q form. Thank you.